Crude oil washing. Checks before start. Confirm with the terminal beforehand regarding the method of implementing COW. Perform preparations and inspections in accordance with the checklist for crude oil washing. Before crude oil washing, report to the terminal when measuring oxygen content at different levels, 1 meter below deck or as required by terminal. Carry out the measurement with terminal personnel, if required, and confirm that it is below 8% in volume. Confirm that the IGS is working properly and oxygen content of the delivering inert gas should be maintained below 5% in volume. Maintain the pressure above 2 kilopascal. Carry out pressure test on cow lines prior to entry into port. Familiarize yourself with the equipment related to cow operation. Before starting the cow operation, cargo oil in the tank that's used for the oil supply tank of cow should be discharged at least 1 meter in level to eliminate water in the tank blocking. Ensure that all checks are completed and all measurements are recorded.